We're now going to discuss Access storage. There's two key different types of storage you can use in Access 2013, desktop storage and cloud storage. Desktop storage is useful because everything is stored locally on your computer. You don't have to have any internet access to use it, and obviously wherever your computer goes, then the database goes with you. And it's quite portable. You can put it onto a memory stick, move it to another computer, so we can use it in that way. The other type is cloud storage. Now obviously that's quite portable because the database is stored in the cloud, so it's accessible from anywhere. Obviously you do have to have an internet connection, but it becomes very multi-user as well. So actually both the database and also the access method from that database, the web page which accesses the database, are all stored in the cloud. Users anywhere in the world, given permission obviously, can access your database and use it from anywhere. That cloud-based solution is still managed by Access. So we still use Access to update the look of it, change the fields we've got in our tables, modify the queries. So it's all still controlled from your familiar Access interface, although everything is stored in the cloud, not just the database backend, but also the front-end visual aspects as well, are all stored in that cloud-based solution. It's very scalable because we're using those servers, those cloud-based servers, and they are using a system which is both SharePoint to access it, but also with SQL Server storage underneath. So you've got these powerful server-based systems behind your database. It's also highly secure, so you can make it scalable, you can make it as big as you want, and high security because we're looking at enterprise scale security on your database. Whereas with the local desktop system, you lose your laptop, people will take the database with it. There are methods to security within there, but with a cloud-based solution, as long as you've set up security to allow individuals to access it, then it's a much more secure solution. The front end is actually a cloud-based application that sits on that. So rather than having forms as such, we now have this cloud-based application which sits on the front. That's really useful because people who use it don't need access. They just need to have a web browser. So they go to the web address, they can then do some data entry, they can then run reports, they can do everything they need to do with your database by just using a browser to do it. Now let's have a look at migrating your desktop database to a SharePoint site powered by SQL Server and located in the cloud.